Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th chemistry chapter types of chemical reactions and energetics part 5. In this part we are going to start with the topic of heat of combustion. So, heat of combustion is the amount of heat liberated when 1 mole of substance is completely burnt in oxygen. I'll repeat, amount of heat liberated when 1 mole of substance is completely burned in oxygen. Example, when 1 mole of carbon is burned in oxygen, it is converted to CO2. During this process, 393.5 kilojoule of heat is liberated. Carbon plus O2 gives CO2, and heat of combustion of carbon is 393.5 kilojoule per mole. Fuels. The substances which produce heat on combustion are called fuels. Calorific value or fuel value, the amount of heat produced by burning unit mass of a fuel, is known as its calorific value. Calorific value Q is equal to C is equal to Q upon M. Units of fuel is kilojoule per gram. Higher the fuel value, better is the fuel. Example, fuel value of carbon is 395 by 12. That is 32.91 kilojoule per gram. Nowadays, liquefied petroleum gas LPG is used as a fuel for cooking. The main constituent of LPG is butane C4H10. Determination of heat of combustion. So, a known mass of a substance whose heat of combustion is to be determined is taken and burnt completely in oxygen. The heat thus produced is allowed to heat a known mass of water M. The rise in temperature of water is noted T. The product is then calculated by using relation Q is equal to M into S into T, where Q is the heat produced, M is the mass of water. Specific heat of water is S and T is the rise in temperature of water. The question is, the molecular mass of a glucose is 180 grams and its heat of combustion is 2825 kilojoule per mole. The brain needs 157 kilojoule of energy per hour. Calculate the amount of glucose needed to supply the required energy to the brain. The energy released when the answer is the energy released when 180 grams of glucose is used is 2825 kilojoule given. The amount of glucose required to produce 157 kilojoule of energy. So simply we'll multiply 157 into 180 upon 2825. By multiplication we'll get 10 as the answer, 10.0, 10 gram. So amount of glucose needed to supply the required energy to the brain will be 10 grams. I hope you have understood till this. Next is life sustaining reactions, exothermic and endothermic. The process of respiration is an exothermic process. The process of photosynthesis is an endothermic process. I'll give the reactions. The process of respiration, an exothermic process, is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 gives 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. And the process of photosynthesis and endothermic reaction, it is 6CO2 plus 6H2O. It gives sunlight and chlorophyll, it gives C6H12O6 plus 6CO2. Now there are some factors that favor chemical reaction, like close contact, state of reactants, heat, concentration, pressure, light, electric current, sound energy, catalyst. And another topic, that is electrolysis, metal conductors, electrolytic conductors. But this we are going to learn in part 6. I hope you have understood till this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We've covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 6 with new information and topics. Thank you for watching.